I know there are many of you out there who've loved art in school but have had to leave it behind just to get on with earning a living. My being frugal, I want to pass on to you an inexpensive way to again enjoy a rewarding art experience. I have left behind paint, easels, etc. in favor of easily found supplies. I love drawing and sketching with Sharpie black markers. My videos will demonstrate the use of black Sharpie markers that are inexpensive and available at any office supply stores. The sketching videos are in real time and I show the photo reference in the top left-hand corner. The photo reference is also provided at the end of each video so that you can do a screen capture of the photo and follow along with the demonstration and sketch on your own time. Drawing and sketching in black Sharpie markers is a rewarding and challenging experience. I'm going to age myself here, but many years ago, when I first started out as an illustrator, I met with a studio art director who looked at my rubbish portfolio. He gave me the best advice ever. He said, "You can draw. So listen, practice black and white illustration." I took his advice. Years ago, black and white illustrations were everywhere, in books, newspapers, and magazines. Anyway, I look forward to sharing with you the joy of Sharpie black marker sketching. Check out the first of many black Sharpie sketching videos.